If you're looking for an easy way to earn rewards while helping your friends discover a powerful banking app, Revolut has you covered. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Revolut's Refer a Friend program step by step, so you don't miss out on your bonus. Here's how it works. First, open the Revolut app and head to your profile. There you'll see an option called Invite Friends or Referrals. That's where you'll find your personal referral. Link.next. Share that link with your friends. You can send it through email, WhatsApp, social media, or however you usually stay in touch. Now, for your friend to qualify, they need to use your link to sign up for a Revolut account and complete their identity verification. After that, they'll need to add some money to their new account. This can be done with a card or a bank transfer. Then comes an important step. Your friend has to order a physical Revolut card. Virtual-only cards or special accounts like Pro, Kids and Teens, Business or Joint cards don't count toward the referral reward. Once their card arrives, they need to make a certain number of eligible purchases with it. These usually have two. Be real everyday transactions, like groceries or shopping. Things like currency exchanges, transfers, gambling, or gift cards won't count. After all these steps are completed, Revolut will drop your referral reward directly into your account. Easy as that. You help a friend get started. They enjoy Revolut, and you both win. So that's how you use Revolut's Refer a Friend program. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and share this video with a friend so you can both start earning with Revolut today.